There are a lot of really exciting trends coming up for kitchens and bathrooms in 2023, and we're here to help you figure out what your favorite trend is going to be. My name is Phoebe, and I'm the showroom manager at the Stone Cobblers. So with our brands and our different lines, we can accommodate any style and pretty much any trend. But this year, we're looking at using a lot more natural wood tones, warm colors. Green is coming in as a really popular color this year. Natural stone and natural textures have always been really popular, but I think that our cabinet lines and our countertop brands are really hitting it out of the park with some of the colors and the styles that they've come up with. There's definitely a style for every type of person out there, but we're going to do our best to help you find what really reflects your personality and what looks good in your home. And I think we have the materials and the brands and the offerings that are going to help us make that really personalized.